4-pin connector, fuel rail pressure sensor. This is from a 15 to 16 LT4, a lot of LT engines. 3-pin connector, fuel pressure rail sensor. This is 17 and up LT4s. A lot of other LT engines. So this right here, well, I should say this one right here is not allowing me to start up because we got a harness for a 3-pin connector. So when this engine came, I was told it was 2017, so we ordered accordingly. I should have looked, but trusted my information, and now I'm here taking it apart so I can install the 3-pin and finally get this thing fired up. Just to go along with that too, I had to replace the harness, driver side harness, because it's different too, for the 3-pin connector. There we go.